Hey guys, it's Abby with In the Garage, and today we're taking a look at the 3-inch suspension kit from Rancho on this Ford F-150. You get that great Rancho quality, but it adds a new aggressive look to your Ford F-150. Unlike a basic leveling kit, this 3-inch edition gives you the ability to add bigger tires up to 35 inches and keep a nice lifted stance without an intense installation. The 3-inch suspension system features a set of tubular performance upper control arms, so you're really getting an awesome performance and durability. Rancho has engineered the control arms to maintain the ball joint in its normal operating range, plus they provide additional wheel travel and caster to aid in alignment, meaning you're getting more control and a better ride than with factory control arms on lifted applications. Like other Rancho kits, this arm features a pre-installed replaceable OE-style rubber bushings and greasable ball joints for a smooth, whisper-quiet operation and enhanced longevity. You don't have to worry about maintaining the control arms with this kit thanks to Zerk fittings for easy maintenance and a quieter ride. The 3-inch system for the Ford F-150 also features Rancho's popular RS 9000 XL leveling struts and rear shocks. Rancho has also designed this suspension system not to affect the electronic stability control system, plus it maintains OE alignment specs. As far as the installation goes, it's a pretty straightforward bolt-on system. However, if you don't have a lot of experience with suspension or lift kits, this might be a little bit more of a difficult installation for you. So we do rate this a 10 out of 10 and it'll take you about a day's work. One thing to note with this install is that you must use OE springs and top mounting components. And if you're wanting to add 35-inch tires, there will also be some trimming or modification required to achieve the proper clearance. The 3-inch suspension system for the Ford F-150 by Rancho is backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you're not comfortable doing this installation yourself, check out our Duo locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.